We've all taken selfie photos of ourselves or a group, but inevitably you'll find when you take a selfie photo, the aspect ratio is kind of off and it's just not a great photo. There is a better way to be able to do this completely hands-free, and that's by using the timer that is built into the camera app. Let me show you exactly how it works. On your phone, take your finger and swipe down from the top right and tap on the camera app. Now, if I just take a normal photo and just tap it, you can see it takes the photo, whether it is front camera or a selfie camera. To set up that timer, tap on those 6 dots at the top right, and there is timer. Tap on it once, and you'll have a 3-second timer. Tap on it again to make it a 5-second timer, or tap on it again to be a 10-second timer. Now, when you're ready to go, of course, position that iPhone exactly how you want it. Tap on the photo, and you can see it starts to count down, and every time your phone flashes, that is 1 second counted down, and then it gets a little bit quicker, and then takes that photo. Essentially, you can take great photos of a group without having to hold that camera out to take a selfie photo. I hope this helps. If you enjoyed this video, check out the video over to my right. I think you'll really like that one too. And thanks for watching.